So this is the Cutluxe Fillet 7-inch knife. Really good for cutting meats, fish, really flexible. Quality does an amazing job. It's been a couple days when I've been using it. The handle is nice. It's a very good grip and quality overall. I am impressed with the price too, but I'm gonna cut some chicken right now. I'm gonna show. It comes with this nice gift box, really gorgeous, outstanding box. If you're looking to give someone a nice gift, this is a great idea of it. Really nice and professional. Tell you everything. I'm just gonna cut a piece to show you guys. Look, wow, look at that, clean cut. If you want to fillet, always watch and be careful with your hands though. Cutting chicken breasts and stuff like this, it's smooth. Look at that, beautiful. You don't have to go and hire any professional chef or anything, but look at the cut. Very nice, great quality, and for the price you cannot go wrong. If you want to make your own like chicken strips or cut your chicken or steak or anything, this is amazing. Look at that, really nice thin slice. Just make sure you watch your hands. So many knives out there. Sometimes you don't know which one to choose and stuff. But I'm going to tell you, some of them are very expensive. This one is a very affordable price. Check in the comment section for price and details. And look right here, look. One slice, lightly, no pressure. And look, we're just going to cut a piece of pepper to show you guys. Look, no pressure. I'm not putting no kind of pressure. Look at that. Clean. See that? It's a really nice, clean knife. I love it. It's a professional knife. Become a professional chef right at home, baby. And what I love about it is the box. The box is a nice gift box and it's a good quality knife. Very affordable. It's not over like hundreds of dollars. It's very cheap. Check in the description box for the price and details. And overall, we give it a thumbs up on Product Zone. It's a really good quality knife. Really love it. Just be careful. The blade is very sharp like most new knife, but this one is like extremely sharp. They did a really good job on it. All right, thank you so much for watching Product Zone. If you like this video, please give them a thumbs up and also subscribe for my channel by clicking the bell icon. Every time you guys do that, I do another product review, you guys will get the videos right away, and it's all free, and I do appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. And all my links go straight to Amazon. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so just to clarify that, I'm always dealing with Amazon. I'm an Amazon content creator and everything, so whatever you guys buy, it goes right through Amazon, and Amazon is a trustworthy website.